Okay. Hello, Messi. What's your Vietnamese name? Your Vietnamese name. Viet name.
My name is Kha.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Very good. Happy? Yes?
Yeah.
Hungry?
No.
No. Very good. What's your favorite color? I like
Black.
black food. What is your favorite food?
I like hot dog.
Hot dog. I like hot dog too. Okay. Now let's start our speaking test. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Look at the board. What is this? This is.
This is snake.
It's a snake. Next, it's a.
This is turtle.
It's a turtle. Good job. Next, what is it? It's a.
Eat a ball.
It's a bird. Good. Next, let's move on to another. That is.
That is duck.
This. Next,
That is ball.
that is a board.
That
Is a
ball.
board. Good. Next, what is that? What is this?
This is computer.
Good.
This is checker.
Trash. Good. See, next, what can you do? What can you do? I can
I can use jacket.
juggle. Good. Next, what can you do?
I can
Skateboard. Skateboard. Good. Here you have to say the beginning sound of the word. For example,
Sound
E.
one.
Good. Next.
Sound edge.
Good. Very nice. Let's do that.
No trouble.
Good.
La.
Yay. Yay. Good job. Next.
Keeper.
Juice.
Juice.
Good. Now, here can you read? From.
One the top.
Next.
Feet the feet.
Good.
Feed the feet.
Very good. Brush.
Flood the car.
Brush the cat. Okay, here, look at this. Number 1. What is this number 1? What is it?
Flood the car.
Number 4. What is this?
Throw away the top.
Good job. Number 2. What is it?
Kick the
No. Number 2.
feed the feet.
Feed a fish. And last one.
Kick the feet.
Kick your feet. Good job. You did well, huh? Very nice. Say goodbye to teacher. Goodbye, Nancy. See you again.